This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Us100 back at it with another one. You already know what it is. So if you're here, I hope you watched the other video that I dropped on GNA. That was an in-depth analysis. You can check it out on the page if you haven't seen it yet. It's like basically future projections for this week, what we're expecting to happen this week based on the structure of how the market is. You understand? So yeah, welcome back to Us100. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops, because he's a boy, can't miss my drops, man. What are you talking about? So yeah, let me know what you guys also want to see in the future. I'll make those things happen. Let's get back to US30. Today we're going to start with US30, but I know you guys love Nas, man. Let's just start with Nas100. Nas100 is in the building. Make some noise. Yeah. We're gonna start in the daily time frame. Top down is in the house. Hey, this past week has been a maza on us. It's been hard to like predict if it wants to come back on top of the trend line or go like dog. I don't know if you want to make a bear market or if it wants to just go the bullish way one time, understand? But yeah, basically this is what's happening. Basically. So we had a head and shoulders pattern. Let me just move this. So before this, it was a head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Our neckline here was the point of contact where we made 1, 2, 3, 4 touches prior to this movement here. You understand? So as we approached the lower trend line, then we added this trend line now here at the top, where the market made contact 3 times, 1, 2, 3 on separate days. You understand? So yeah, now we have this. So I'm just gonna move this air. Needs to go. Yeah, okay, it's fine. So we had these zones here where the market was rejecting, and then on the trend line, and we also had these zones here. So now the price made its way down. It broke out, right? Broke out and came to tested again on another day, and then the Thursday was a drop, and then Friday the market did this kind of candlestick, very strong bullish candlestick. So I don't know if now when you open on Monday we're gonna come to test and then close bearish again, confirming a retest, and then the price is gonna continue down now, or the price just wants to like close above the trend line and then come back to the zone. Now I don't know if that's what the market is doing, but what I do know is we can find like structures in the smaller time frame, like the H4 and H1. I'm sure we can find something that can give us a clue of what's going on, which is the point of this analysis video. You understand? I hope I'm audible. I'm a little bit tired. It's a Saturday midnight. Well, it's Sunday now, but yeah, I'm in the house, so I might as well do an analysis, because I know I had it scheduled for tomorrow, so let's do it. You understand? So yeah, this is our H4. So this is the movement that happened ever since the right shoulder. The right shoulder movement was there. From there, the price has been dropping, and I did say on so many occasions that only look to sell this whole thing, this whole movement there. You understand? So my whole thing is I want to see if the price is gonna go up and come back to this level or what. So if I'm gonna enter, I hold. You understand? I don't wanna like scalp it. I might scalp it with a side account, but the main account, I just want to open a couple of trades and just let it run. If it's gonna thing, I just like keep a trailing stop and just keep moving the thing up or what. I know guys say it's not advisable, but I mean, I just want to do it if it's showing me the right structure. You understand? So that's the thing. It's either the price is gonna come here as you can see, this is a very strong level because we have touches here, 1, 2, 3. So if the market comes here and rejects, and it also looks like also looks kind of a inverse head and shoulders, where this is the left shoulder, the head, and then maybe the right shoulder is gonna come here, and then so let me draw so you can understand what I'm talking about, so to speak. So where's my brush now? So what I'm saying is maybe the price can come to reject here and then come to make a right shoulder, and then what? And then go up. See, meaning this would be our left shoulder, our head, and then our right shoulder. Usually it's a reversal pattern where it means if the movement has been going down like this and the market makes a right shoulder, like a head and shoulders pattern, it either happens at the top or at the bottom, meaning once you get the head and shoulders pattern, then the movement is going to change from bearish market to a bullish market. That's confirming that it's going to go higher, you understand? So that's what I'm expecting to see. Like if I do see, so basically this is the game plan. Let me give you guys the game plan. So if this is what's going on, right, let me just go back so I can actually hold the thing. So if this is actually what's going on, then that means the price has to come to retest this area, because there has to be a neckline somewhere. So since this is the closest structure, I think the market is going to come to test here. So when it comes to test here, that's where I'm going to be looking to sell, right? So if we can enter a short position there, right? Keep the risk tight. Understand? Keep the risks tight, basically. I hope you guys can see this thing. Let me just increase it a little bit. Yeah. So if we can enter there, if we can find an entry there, and then hold it at least until somewhere around this zone here, and then once I see like a rejection in that area, or even somewhere there, you're gonna see when the market does the thing. Once I see start, what am I saying? Once I start seeing bullish momentum down here, then I know it's time to buy. And once I catch that entry, guys, I'm just gonna let it like run. I'm just gonna keep raising the SL and TPs, not TPs, the SL basically. I don't like putting TPs. I basically manage with my stop losses. You understand? So in the H1 now, what are we seeing? I'm also seeing another structure though. Let's confirm this one before we proceed. You understand? Let's confirm the structure, because I'm seeing. And don't worry, guys, you don't have to be as fast as me to see these things. It just comes with time, with market experience. You get better and better. Like some of these things just come to your eyes without even using a trend line. I remember I was in the club with Zakes the other time, Nas100, and he was looking at a blank chart while we were in the club. So I started laughing, and then we're talking about how it's crazy that it's so easy to spot these things. Even when someone would say you're looking at a blank chart, usually to us we're seeing other things now. So let's see if we can put this thing there. You see now, this is what I was thinking. Actually, this is what I was thinking. So let's go to full screen mode so we can make the most of this thing. Okay, so it seems we have a descending channel right here, right? And then there also happens to be a level here. The level has been rejected here as proof that it holds. This level is a strong level. Hence the touches that the market made on that level, right? So okay, let me remove this now. Okay, sharp. So it's either now the market will perform the structure that I highlighted here and then go there. At least you can hold until this level here now. So meaning you will also have to open trade I'm gonna send all of this to the Telegram, by the way. So if you're not part of that, then half it will be strong. You see, so there's two potential trades that I'm seeing here. There's a sell that can happen there, and then followed by a buy that can happen somewhere in this level there. And now, like, obviously we have to wait and see what happens up here. Maybe this can like be a zone where now we exit already. You understand? Depends, because I think it might break out. I don't think it's gonna continue with the structure. It depends, but if we can close above, then that's gonna be great news, because I think it's gonna gain in value. But for as long as we're below this line that you're seeing here, it's looking very bearish. So I'm expecting a sell, at least on Monday. If you go and touch this level, I'm gonna sell, and then probably Tuesday, Wednesday, if the market can make its way down here to confirm our head and shoulders, then we're gonna go in. You understand? So I don't think there's anything else that we're missing. Are there any levels? There is a level. There is a level here, right? It's there, yeah, which is also in confluence. So this level rejected here, it's in confluence with the trend line. So it's the trend line, this level, and a rejection there, or contact, touch, 1, 2, right, 3 again, right? Made contact. Yeah, there was a rejection here also in this candlesticks 4. So that's a level that's respected, and it's also a zone where now here that's the trend line. So it seems like this area is going to be very strong of it. It's not one that we want to miss. So this is the 240 H4. There's nothing to see on the H1, but we can go. But basically, if you understand what's going on in the H4, this is going to be very easy to play out for you. Let's see. So you see what I'm saying? Where was that level now? The level was here. You see, we rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm sure when the market gets there, something will happen. You understand? So that's why there's this zone here where I'm expecting a sell. So I just want the market to come to this area. Once it's there, I'm just gonna sell, hold until somewhere here, which would be this level. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing also this zone now where if we sell, this is gonna be my target. When operate. So you see, the thing now is there's this zone here. We touched it once, twice, 3 times. This was a retest in a smaller time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? To make a Dowie formation at the bottom, confirming the buy, right? And then even in the buy, there was a moment where the candlesticks wicks came to retest the zone. So if we can get a sell at this zone now, because this is where the trend line is at, then the TP will be somewhere just here on this thing, right? Maybe the market is gonna change directions there or slightly below. I don't know. We're gonna see about what happens. But yeah, for now I'm just looking forward to the market to go in touch. Like I said, it's the same thing just still applies now because of these levels. You understand? So I'm gonna update you guys in the group about what's going on, the public telegram. Go check that one out, right? The link is in the description box below. The link is in the pinned comment. Basically, the link to the free telegram group. Go and join that so you can get screenshots to all these analysis and things like that. You get me? So it's your boy Fusimax back in the building. Peace out.